Hi, my name is Alicia. I'll be your guide for Unit 6 Fundamentals of Electricity. Fundamentals of Electricity. Electricity is a kind of invisible form of energy. The presence of electricity is felt by its effects. It is a very clean form of energy. It is one of the most useful form of energy in the world. Electricity is most important for progress of any country. It cannot be stored in bulk quantity. It must be used as and when it is produced. Static electricity. It is produced by rubbing the objects, such as glass and silk cloth. It is also produced in cables carrying high voltages, currents, and static capacitors. It cannot be produced in bulk quantity. It cannot be transferred from one place to other. It cannot perform any useful work. Dynamic electricity. It is also known as current electricity. It is dynamically induced EMF. It can be produced in bulk quantity. It can be transferred from one place to another. It is most useful form of electricity and it can perform many useful works. The cost of production of such electricity is high. It should be handled very carefully. To generate the electricity, three basic things are essential: constant magnetic field, a coil of conductor, and mechanical force. Basic principle of generation of electricity. When a conductor or coil of conductor is rotated in a constant magnetic field, an EMF is produced in a conductor. It is not necessary that only conductor is to be rotated in a magnetic field. A magnetic field may also be rotated and conductor is kept constant. In both ways, electricity is produced. The induced EMF is always alternating current. Alternating current. An alternating current is one which changes its magnitude and direction periodically. AC is bidirectional and pulsating. AC is obtained from AC generator and alternator. Direct current (DC). It is the current whose magnitude and direction are remains constant and it flows in one direction only. DC is unidirectional and its polarity is remains fixed. DC is obtained from battery, DC generator, solar cells. EMF, electromotive force, is the voltage developed by any source of electrical energy such as battery or dynamo. Its symbol is E and is measured in volts. Voltage. Voltage is the potential difference between 2 points, high to low or high to high. The difference between high potential to low potential, phase 220 volt to neutral volt, is equals to 220 volts. Phase 220 volts to earth equals to 220 volts. Voltage is always less than EMF. Its symbol is V and it is also measured in volts. The voltage is measured by voltmeter. The level of voltage is classified as low voltage, that is up to 250 volts, medium voltage, that is 250 to 650 volts, high voltage 650 to 11 kV, extra high voltage 11 kV to 220 kV, ultra high voltage, that is up to 220 kV. Current. Current is defined as flow of electrons in a conductor of closed electrical circuit. For the flow of current, a pressure or voltage is essential. The amount of current flow in electrical circuit is depends on following factors: amount of voltage input and resistance of the circuit. It is denoted by I and it is measured in amps. The current is measured by an instrument called ammeter. Resistance. Resistance is the property of a material to oppose the flow of electric current through it. The resistance of any conducting material is depends on the following factors: its composition, length, cross-sectional area, and temperature. It is denoted by R and it is measured by ohm. Effects of electric current. Electricity is invisible form of energy. Its presence is seen by its useful effects. Some of the effects of electric current are lighting effect, heating effect, magnetic effect, mechanical effect, physical effect. Conductors and insulators. Conductors. Conductors are those materials which allow the electric current pass through them. The conductors are maybe a form of solid, liquid, and gases. Examples of conductors are copper, aluminium, iron, mercury, electrolyte, carbon, neon gas. Insulator. Insulator are those materials which do not allow electric current pass through them. The insulator may be form of solid and liquid. Examples of insulators are PVC, rubber, wood, varnish, oil. Now you know all of the concepts related to fundamentals of electricity.